Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. How long does Spocket take to deliver? I've been using Spocket for a while now, and I've been really impressed with their shipping times. In this video, I'm going to share my experience with Spocket's shipping times and provide some tips on how to get your orders delivered as quickly as possible. But before we get into the details, let's talk about why shipping times are important. When you're running an e-commerce business, it's important to get your products to your customers as quickly as possible. Slow shipping times can lead to customer dissatisfaction and even lost sales. So, how long does Spocket take to deliver? The answer to this question depends on a few factors, including the shipping method you choose, the location of the supplier, and the location of the customer. In general, Spocket offers two shipping methods: standard shipping and expedited shipping. Standard shipping typically takes 7 to 14 business days, while expedited shipping takes 3 to 5 business days. The location of the supplier and the location of the customer can also affect shipping times. If the supplier is located in the same country as the customer, shipping will typically be faster than if the supplier is located in a different country. Here are some tips for getting your Spocket orders delivered as quickly as possible. Choose expedited shipping if you need your order to arrive quickly. Make sure that the shipping address is correct. Place your order as early as possible. Track your order so that you know when it is expected to arrive. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.